How to create a budget that works for you. Creating a budget. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that's essential for financial success: creating a budget that works for you. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or simply trying to manage your money better, a budget is a powerful tool. So, let's get started. Step 1 is to determine your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my money? It could be anything from buying a house, taking a dream vacation, or becoming debt-free. Having clear goals will help you stay motivated throughout the budgeting process. Step 2 involves tracking your income and expenses. Technology makes this task much easier nowadays. There are several budgeting apps and tools available that can help you monitor your spending, categorize expenses, and analyze your financial habits. Find one that suits your needs and start tracking. Step 3 is all about creating categories for your expenses. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and debt payments. Be thorough and realistic. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 4 is to allocate your income to each category. Start with the essentials, like housing and utilities, and then distribute the remaining funds among the other categories based on your priorities. Remember, it's crucial to leave room for savings and unexpected expenses. Paying yourself first is vital for long-term financial stability. Aim to save at least 10% of your income, but if possible, try to increase that percentage over time. An emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Lastly, Step 6 is to review and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so it's crucial to reassess your budget periodically. Look for areas where you can cut back or save more. Remember, a budget is a flexible tool that should evolve with your needs. And there you have it, your guide to creating a budget that works for you. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction. It's about making conscious choices with your money and achieving your financial goals. So, start today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.